Is $560 for AMC stock actually doable, or is that just a new number that everyone wants for AMC stock because that would make them extremely rich? Well, in this video, I'm going to be talking about my exact price targets for AMC stock and my exact price predictions for this stock because right now we are in a more important level than yesterday. And yesterday, congratulations to all my subscribers. I was saying that today, June 29th, I did not want anyone to be overly optimistic. I did not want anyone to be overly happy because, again, this is exactly what can happen. And so I was saying this always happens. When the price of AMC is high, it's like no one cares about what is going on at the stock. However, when the price is low, that is when everyone starts to become more panicky and more fearful. And that is exactly what is happening today. So make sure you guys subscribe so you guys do not miss my alert. Now, aside from that, aside from subscribing, what I want to talk about right now is the levels for AMC stock. So $560, okay? That is on the line right now. And a lot of you guys are saying, how is that possible? This is exactly how it is going to be possible. And if you guys do not believe $560, let me just explain to you guys why AMC has a possibility to go to at least $90 a share, or at least $80 a share. Okay, let's say you don't believe in 90. Let's say, because in my opinion, I think this stock is going to $100, regardless of what anyone says. Just my opinion though, not a financial advisor, but let's say $80 to be conservative. So if you were to take the bullish flag, which this is one of the most bullish indicators for a stock, and when you look at that, guys, we now have this red candle that is actually working in our favor just because it actually confirms the flag breakout that we will be having in the future, in my opinion. Now, why am I so confident about the fact that this flag is going to break out? Well, it ends up going to the same exact key levels that this flag is supposed to be the point of the flag, right? The whole point of this flag is that the major levels are reachable, and that is exactly what is going on right now. And so the support line of the flag is going to have to be at the $51 level. Guys, are we near $51 a share? No, we are at $56 a share. And so for the base of the flag, we are going to have to keep the $51 support level. The $51 and just $51 a share, not $51 and a few cents. And this is not the exact support level. However, this is the best support level just because, even though it is not exact, a lot of people, what they do is they go for whole numbers just because psychologically it makes more sense. So as long as we do not break $51 a share, we are perfectly fine for AMC stock. Now, why am I saying $51 a share? Well, the price is right now at $56 a share. Do I think that this stock is going to go back to $51 a share? In the near term, yes, I do think it's going to go to $51 a share. Will I be buying more? 100%, right? I want to get more of this stock. In fact, I actually ended up buying more today. And why do I want to buy more shares of a stock? Because I am waiting for that breakout. If you are not waiting for the breakout of this bullish flag, then I do not know why you are holding AMC stock, right? Because everyone else that is in this stock, we are waiting for a massive movement to the upside, and this movement is going to be the width of the flag, meaning that the flag right now, the base of it, as I said, just rounded to $50 a share, and the all-time highs of the flag, you can just round that to $70 a share. And so 70 minus 50, that is 20, a 20-point move to the upside. So if you say that the breakout of the flag is going to be at $60 a share, right around here, 60 plus 20, that is $80 a share. That is why I said the conservative price target, or just a very realistic price target for this stock, is at least $80 a share. Also, what I'm trying to say for $51 a share is because if we break this stock, nothing bad will happen. It's just going to be time is going to be the only thing against us. As I said, the only thing against us will be time. However, the reason why I really think that $51 should be a support is because as soon as you break that $51 a share level, there are going to be so many stop losses, and all these stop losses will end up making the stock go extremely low, just like how the stock went from $70 a share all the way to $38 a share. There were so many stop losses in these two candles that a lot of people right now, they also do not want the same thing to happen, okay? They do not want when AMC stock ends up going, let's say, back to $51 a share. As soon as it breaks this level, guys, a lot of people will be fearful again. And even if it does break $51 a share, as I said, nothing is going to be terrible for the stock. The only thing that we will have to watch out for now, if it ends up breaking that level, would be time, right? And so the next level of support would be at $48 a share. Now, do I think it's going to go to 40? No. But again, because you guys are subscribed to the channel, these are just my insights. Therefore, if this stock ends up ever going to this level, instead of you guys panicking about this stock, you guys will have the advantage because you guys will be able to understand, okay, what is going on with this stock, and you guys will be able to trade this stock exactly how it should be, and you guys will be the most profitable, okay? That is the whole point. You guys will be able to make the most money. A lot of people are saying, Why is the stock not going up? Guys, if the stock is not going up, that should be in your best favor simply because you already know what is going to happen, okay? You already know that there will be a breakout. And so you are able to get these shares for a much cheaper price because you already know what is going to happen to the stock. So therefore, if it breaks $51 a share, I will add more at $40 a share. I have no problem in doing so. In fact, I was adding all the way over here. And so buying back at these levels seems crazy, but it really doesn't seem crazy when you start to evaluate the opportunities in the stock. Right now, I do not see a better opportunity than AMC stock. Okay, there's just so much opportunity every single day with this stock. And if you look at it from a longer term perspective, this stock really, I think, is not over yet. And also, is it not ironic the fact that every time it ends up going to the top of the bullish flag, it ends up getting rejected, guys? It is just waiting to break out. I don't know how many times I have to say this. I don't know how many times I have to reiterate it, but it is very important. And it is very important that you guys understand that right now AMC is in a bullish flag. So the breakout will happen, in my opinion. And so when will this breakout happen? A lot of people are saying the middle of July. So do not get me wrong, there's still some more time, needed for AMC stock. And also the reason why I know this is because today it got invalidated simply because the top of the candle ended up getting rejected at the top of the bullish flag. So again, this is why we have to wait just a little bit longer. And it is going to be very exciting to see what AMC stock ends up doing, whether it breaks out or breaks down, because it can definitely break down. And so, again, while that would not be the best thing, because again, we would have to wait for AMC to reclaim the previous levels to end up reclaiming here. So let's say it broke $51 a share. So what ended up happening is if it ended up breaking $51 a share, it would have to go back to the support level and end up going back up, right? But instead of going back up and immediately going back to the second level, it would actually have to consolidate in the first level in order for it to reclaim the highest level. So again, that is what I mean by time. So really no big deal. The only thing that would make AMC in a very bearish territory would be if it broke $40 a share or $38 a share, okay? Because really that is the range of the support. And so a lot of people are saying that the volume is decreasing. And yes, that is absolutely true, guys. Do you think that anyone would allow this stock to break out if it did not have enough volume? The answer to that is obviously no. This stock is not going to break out if there's no volume. But again, we know that this stock is going to break out because the reason why we know this is because we understand that this stock has consolidated for such a long time that it has no other choice than to go up. That is ultimately what has happened to the stock, and a lot of people are starting to understand that. So therefore, this stock, if the momentum was over, if the volume was completely over, this stock would already be trading at $20 a share. This stock would already be trading at $30 a share. It is in almost a $60 range. That is absolutely crazy. Right now it's at $56 a share. So the volume, yes, it is decreasing, but watch, the volume will increase very soon. And once people start realizing that the bullish flag is actually starting to come to an end, this stock, as soon as it gets closer to the middle of July, and as soon as the bullish flag starts coming to an end, this stock will have an increase in volume. That is just what I'm guessing. And so as for this stochastic RSI, guys, every single time, it looks like it is in a very near bottom. Every time that it goes to its level, we end up having a major rebound to the upside. And so as for the MACD, the only thing bearish on the MACD is the fact that it has already crossed, but that was in one time. And I predicted a long time ago, and I guessed that the MACD would end up crossing, and that is exactly what happened. But I also stated that the MACD would end up having another cross to the upside, except, as I said before, this time it would be to the upside instead of the downside. And that is exactly what it looks like will be happening very soon. So not only do you have the RSI, or the Relative Strength Index, looking like it is also in a near-term bottom, the stochastic RSI looking like it is in a near-term bottom, and also the MACD looking like it is about to have a reversal to the upside. What do you think is going to happen to the stock? I think that $56 a share, we will not be seeing these numbers soon, okay? I think we will be seeing much higher numbers. And so my price targets for June 30th, right, the Wednesday, would be a very simple answer, and that would be, guys, just watch for $51 to $61 a share. But I know, again, you guys, for the day traders, you guys want to understand exactly where this stock is going to go. And by the way, guys, look at this, guys. This is why the bullish flag, it does work. We end up rejecting right at this level, okay? This is the power of technical indicators, and I know that a lot of people do not like technical indicators because they say that it will not work for a stock like AMC. But I would actually say that technical indicators do work when a stock has consolidated for a long time, because a lot of people look at the rejection, okay? This was obviously because a lot of people knew that AMC is an a bullish flag, therefore this would have to be the level of rejection, unless there would be enough volume to make the stock break out, therefore it would be validated, but it did not, right? It was invalidated. And so tomorrow, June 30th, right, Wednesday, I think that this stock does have a gap to fill at $53 a share. I think tomorrow we will see $56 a share, even though we did today, right? So today we saw $56 a share. I think that it will end up going back to $56 a share. And then from there, I actually do not think that it will have a major breakout to the downside. However, if it does break $56 a share, then there is an immediate gap fill to $53 a share. If it ends up breaking $56 a share, there is a gap fill to $53. And I'm not going to buy this stock unless it ends up going to $53 a share if it breaks 56. However, if I see tomorrow in the pre-market and in the regular trading hours that this stock is very resilient and strong and that it has a very strong support at $56 a share, then I will be adding more to my position. And what I'm going to do is my resistance levels would be at $58 a share. If you are trying to day trade AMC, which I'm not trying to, but for any of the day traders out there that are trying to day trade AMC stock, now for the long-term traders, guys, do not worry. What the day traders are doing really does not matter. In fact, they're just adding more momentum to the stock. They're actually helping the stock, unless they are shorting this stock. Okay, that is a whole different side. Okay, if they are shorting the stock, then obviously they are not helping the stock. And in fact, adding more volume to the stock will not hurt the stock in any way. In fact, it will actually increase the probability of AMC breaking out to the upside, because what the day traders will realize, guys, I think we need to understand that what is going to make the stock break out is probably going to be the day traders, because the long-term traders, they're already in the stock, right? We already know that they're the ones that are allowing AMC to form this foundation in the $51 range to $61 range. However, the day traders are going to be the people who allow the stock to break out of the bullish flag, because they're the ones with a lot of shares, and they will be the ones that will realize that AMC stock is very close to breaking out, and they will be the ones adding a lot of volume and a lot of momentum. So with that being said, guys, I'm very excited for AMC stock tomorrow, because regardless of what the price is, I'll probably still end up adding more to my position. And thanks again for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video.